Hi, I'm Joey from 49Hundred, and I'm super excited to show you our Harlow floor plan, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a bonus room. Let's take a look. Here in the Harlow kitchen, we offer ample cabinet and counter space with espresso colored cabinets that are all soft close. You're never going to have to worry about banging a finger, with LED under cabinet lighting showcasing that beautiful glass tile backsplash, and a deep farm style sink with a gooseneck faucet with sprayer. My favorite feature is that you can stand in the U-shaped kitchen and still entertain your guests while you're making them dinner or making them a cocktail. Off of your kitchen, you have your designated dining room, which features a dry bar with plenty of storage space underneath, and then leads into your living room. Your living room offers a variety of furniture options, being able to mount a TV on a wall with hidden cables, and leads out to your private patio. It's a great space for you to entertain your guests or just enjoy a quiet night at home. Here in your private suite, you easily can accommodate a king-size bed and king-size furniture, and then you have your ensuite with a walk-in shower and dual vanity and access to your spacious walk-in closet. Here in the guest wing of your apartment, you have your second bedroom, which offers another spacious walk-in closet, as well as your guest bathroom, which has a garden-style soaking tub in it. What makes this floor plan unique is that you also have your den space right off of the living room. This can be used as your office or even your library. Enjoyed that tour as much as I did. Availability on the Harlow floor plan is very limited, so be sure to call the office and schedule your personal tour today.